we are done with the arm, the corn hand. You can see it. This is how it looks. This is how it looks. Okay, so the next thing is to cut a swab, which I've done. I cut a swab that I'm going to a swab. Okay, then I look for the neck. I fold it into 2 equal parts. Fold the fabric into 2 equal parts like this. Look at the neck. You now look for the midpoint from here like this down like this to the bottom. So make sure they are folded into 2 equal parts. Having done that, you are going to do what? You are going to launch it. You are going to launch it. Then you now take your tape rule, you measure it from here, from this place to the bottom down. And the measurement here, I'm having 66. So you are going to cut a swab that will be enough, that will be up to that 66. That is from the neck to the front, and that is what I've actually done. I've launched this place, then I cut a swab. I measure the swab based on the length of the gown from the neck. You are starting the measurement from this side, okay, from the neck. So then I'm going to place it on the, then you now place it on the machine and sew like so. Okay, place it on the machine and sew. If the strap is not enough, you can join them. There's nothing stopping you from joining those strap. Okay, so that is what and I place it from inside like this. Look at it. This is inside. I place it because I want to turn it. By the time I sit here, I'm going to turn it outside like this. I hope you are seeing it. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm doing right away. Okay, let me sew it down so that you can see. When I'm done with the stitching, you are going to look at how it is. So I'm sewing 2 places. You know it's 2 places. I cut it at the front. You're going to stitch it down. Then you place the second one as well. I've done the first one. This is it. So I'm placing the second one on the place that I launched at the back. This is it. Then I'm going to stitch it straight. Stitch it down straight. I'm going to stitch it straight. This is it. I'm going to stitch it down. Down. I haven't done that. This place we are going to join them together. We are going to join it together like this and stitch it. Then we are going to turn it like this, okay, to the back. Do you see what I'm saying? We are going to stitch it. So we are done with the stitching from the neckline to the bottom. So the next thing, what we are doing now is that I'm going to pin it. This is it, okay, from the neck. I'm going to place it here. I'm going to pin it. Then I'm going to stitch it. See the way, look at the way it looks on me first, so that we can continue from where we stop. This is it. This is what I'm actually talking about. This is what I'm actually talking about. This is it. So this place like this, I'm going to turn it like this. Okay, I'm going to stitch it down. Are you with me? You see the hand. You can look at how from where the hand is. Okay, so I'm going to turn it like this from the neck. I'm going to stitch it like this. Okay, down. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to place it on the machine now and do the stitching so that you can see what I'm actually talking about. We are almost done with the clothes. After stitching of this place, we just press. I'm going to stitch the bottom, and that is the end of the tutorial. Okay, so let me do the stitching so we can see. Look at the back. Look at the hand. Okay, you can see how flamboyant it is. It's an id wear. You can wear it anywhere. It has an inner wear. Okay. Let's look at the outcome of what we have been sewing since. I said it's going to have an inner. This is the inner. Although I didn't show the tutorial of the inner. Just a normal, simple straight gown. So this is what I've been saying since. You can see it. Okay. Can you see? You see it? The cutting at the front. Right? See the arm? This is the side of the arm. Okay. You see? So the person is wearing it on. This is a complete abaya. This is what we call, what do you call it? Kimono abaya. So you can see it very well. Look at it. Look at it. You see? So it has an inner. The person first of all wear the inner. After which they are going to wear this on it. It's an it wear, and it's very, very beautiful. Can you see it? Look at the arm style. Okay. Please do give this video a thumbs up. Okay. Give it a thumbs up. Okay. Like and share. So do give this video a thumbs up, like and share. This is model pen stitch. Your teacher self all kind of models. So this is it. Okay, I cut it from the front. Very, very easy. So I'm still going to, if I like, I can decide to use bead here. I'm going to put bead, plastic bead here. Or if I wish, I may decide to use stone. Okay, and it's going to have a belt, an abaya belt, the ready-made one. I'm using that one for it. And this is the style of the hand. I hope you can see it. It's beautiful. Sew it for your clients for this Eid. You can recommend it for your clients and they're going to like it. Look at how beautiful it is. Very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. I love it. Look at it. Okay. It's going to have a belt. Look at it like this. So it's going to have a kind of a belt that the person is going to use as the waist of the cloth. And this is the baboon. Okay. Look at it. So thank you very much for watching this video. Really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Love and share so that other people will see this video. It goes a long way in telling me that you really appreciate what I'm actually doing. Okay. So, and if I like, I can also use stone on this plate. If I wish, I can stone here. Okay. That's it. That's it. Love you. See you in our next video.